Mawudlala low block, you need special players. And this boy, I think it shows even today. He has the talent and fit confuse abantu abaningi. There's a lot of people who are okay. Let me put it this way: not many players in the country there like this boy, especially at their age. Kunabantu baba so after una 28, so travel ama team 5-6.
Yeah.
This boy is.
And we're talking about Mofokeng.
Yeah, that's why I mean I'm not about arrogant when I speak sometimes. I know players awekho maningi kanjengalo mfana. Into enjengale mangikhuluma ngithi in South Africa we've got players if we can do proper research. And lo mfana usethe esinye standard. It's into enjengale ngeke siphinde sibone mhlambe after this boy makanga if should anything happen to him mhlambe he leave going to overseas kuzoba nzima ukuthola ama players so cause in South Africa we believe ukuthi even singadlala angekho. Truly speaking, lo mfana lo mfethu lenta he won Pirates the game today. Dabachita babadlala low block. Coach trying ama tactics. A police bekangena phakathi sort of half winger as always the way is playing bamdlalisa according to his strengths akhe cause akusumuntu ongalanda abantu a police he can shoot technically is very good uyakwazi ukudecide decision making that's why bamsondeza phambi kwepali. Urile bekadlala number 10 but around beka create ama 2v2 2v1 I mean to say going around every time Apolis got the ball uyamrounder uApolis bekumele decide ukuthi uyampasa or go direct or uyacombine nangalo Mremi even I think Apolis also Mremi into bekayenza ba create lama 2v1 this boy beka decided the Pirates man how he decided especially mabamdlala ya position into bekayilimazo atanga he plays off the ball and ukurana behind the defense hayi ukuthi udlala in front yabo yiko ngimshayela izandla into this game because it was difficult to break the low block mfethu ubheke nale run ayishayile leba athola goal like mina I thought is offside like makazokheta
The goal that it scores here.
ama
It
player
comes-
nje
it comes
mfethu I
from
don't
deep.
care who says what anyway to play ama player ukudlala off the ball so ifuna inconde ibhola and mawudlala number 10 mele wazi ibhola hayi ukuthi ube basic player that's all mele wazi ibhola you must know football mele ulazi this boy uyalazi ibhola angithi inhloko umfana ikhule but he won Pirates game today so lo mfana la uyamastera lokudlala off position.
The new Corolla Cross, filled with life.